I'd meet in a bustling city, a new green roof was installed atop City Hall. Mayor Bob was excited. "This will solve our stormwater problem," he declared. During the first rain, Bob watched eagerly. The rain poured, but the streets stayed dry. "It's working," he cheered. Suddenly, a giant puddle formed in front of City Hall. Bob scratched his head. "Where's all this water coming from?" A gardener shouted, "Oops, we forgot to install the drainage." Bob laughed. "Well, at least the ducks are happy." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.